Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cup of tea hack on Dress to Impress. So go to this area, you'll just need to be here for these two items. Select the apple first, and you can use basically any like cute pattern here that looks like a teacup. I'll just use like this one here. And then set it to the mischievous pose. Then you're going to grab this and you're basically going to just color it the same like everything. From this angle it doesn't look like it, but like if you see from this angle, it looks like he's drinking tea, like the Mad Hatter is drinking tea. You can also just use any outfits here. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.